Hello, my name is LaDonna, and welcome to this yoga flow to boost your creative energy. Come to the top of your mat, and we will begin our flow with our first round in a beginner's flow. On our second round, I will transition to a slightly more difficult flow, but leave the cues for beginners throughout. Honor your body and where you are now. Try the next level if things feel too easy, and feel free to alternate between the two levels. We will begin our first flow with our feet and knees hip distance apart, keeping a slight bend in our knees here. Bring your palms to touch at heart center. Close your eyes for a moment here and check in. Begin to deepen your breath here, in and out through your nose. Our focus today is opening our creative flow. So we will begin with an affirmation here. Repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I am blessed with creative flow. I am blessed with creative flow. Inhale, raise your hands above your head and bring your palms to touch. Exhale, fold forward with bent knees into a forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway, hands above your knees, straighten your back for halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, come to your knees, bring your chest to the mat, and then your chin. Release. Inhale, rise into a small cobra or lift into up dog. Exhale into a modified down dog on your knees or lift up into down dog. Bring your feet to the mat if they aren't there already, and walk to the top of your mat with bent knees, staying in a forward fold here. Place your hands on your hips and with a flat back, come to standing. Allow your hands to fall to your sides, palms facing forward. Now for a second flow, we will add some variations. You can either keep your knees and feet hip distance here, or you can bring them slightly closer together. Inhale, raise your arms and bring your palms to touch. Exhale, fold forward. You can play with the bend in your knees here and see how it feels different. On your next inhale, lift halfway, roll your shoulders back and straighten your back. Exhale, bring your hands to the mat, knees, chest, chin, or high plank to low plank, your choice. Inhale into a small cobra or lift into up dog. Exhale into a modified down dog on your knees or into full down dog. Take a few deep breaths here. If you're in full down dog, you can pedal out your feet. Come to your feet if you're not there already, and step or hop to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands above your head, lift your palms to touch, and bring your palms to heart center. Lovely. Now hopefully you've warmed up a little here, and we're going to speed it up a bit. Inhale, arms up, bring your palms to touch. Bring in a little back bend here if you desire. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, knees, chest, chin, or high to low plank. Inhale, small cobra or up dog. Exhale, modified down dog or full down dog. Come to your feet if you're not there already, and step or hop to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands up high, bring your palms to touch, slight back bend here. Release your hands to heart center. Come onto your hands and knees and release into child's pose. With your knees together or wide apart here, yogi's choice. Find stillness and deepen your breath. Let's take a moment to tap into our creative spirit. Repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I am effortlessly creative and innovative in everything I do. I am effortlessly creative and innovative in everything I do. Now slowly come to standing and face the side of your mat as we prepare for wide-legged forward fold. Feet wide, toes slightly turned in. Inhale and lengthen your torso, reaching the crown of your head up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward at the hips, allowing your head to hang towards the floor. Allow your hands to fall towards the floor, touching the mat if you are able. Keep a soft bend in your knees and shift your weight slightly forward onto the balls of your feet. Lift and spread your sit bone. Hold and breathe, keeping your face and your gaze soft. Bring your right hand to the center of the mat, midline with your body. Exhale, hollow your belly, and lift your left hand, fingertips pointing towards the sky. Hold and breathe, feeling the stretch in the inner right thigh. Release your left hand back to the earth, meeting your right hand. Inhale as you halfway lift, neutralizing your spine. Exhale, left hand to the mat center. As you hollow out your belly and gently twist to the right, right fingers pointed to the sky. Hold and breathe, feeling the stretch in the inner left thigh. Now release your right hand to meet your left. Bring your hands to your waist and come to standing with a flat back. Great. Now come onto your hands and knees. Find your center here. Knees right under your hips and palms directly under your shoulders as we prepare for cat-cows. Inhale, lift your chin and drop your belly as you lift your tailbone. Exhale, round your back, push into the mat, and let your head hang. We will repeat these movements for a few rounds. Inhale, lift your chin, drop your belly. Exhale, round your back, lower your head as you push into the mat. Inhale, lift your chin and tailbone. Exhale, round and lower your head. Last time, inhale, lift your head and tailbone. Exhale, round and lower. Return to tabletop to find your center as we prepare ourselves for bird dog. Make sure your knees are right under your hips and your palms are directly under your shoulders. Straighten your right leg. Stay up on your toes here for a moment. And then bring your left arm out in front here, fingers pointing forward. Engage your core and glutes, and stay here if you'd like. Or go ahead and raise that right leg and hold here for a few breaths. Release and wiggle it out here for a moment. Find stillness in your center here again. Kick your left leg back here, resting on your toes. Then bring your right hand forward here, fingers pointing forward. Stay here if desired. You're already working so much on your balance right here. If you want to take it further, go ahead and lift that left leg here. Engage your core and glutes and hold for a few breath cycles here. Great work. Now release into a child's pose here. Begin to make your breaths a little deeper. And repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I have an abundance of creative ideas. I have an abundance of creative ideas. We will now come into a seated position, whatever's comfortable for you, on a cushion if you desire. Rest your hands on your lap, palms facing up in a receiving position. Take a moment to close your eyes and bring awareness to your body and how it feels in this moment. Send some love and gratitude to yourself for your practice today. We will end with one more affirmation to take into your day. I can see my future filled with creativity and abundance. I can see my future, filled with creativity and abundance. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video today, please take the time to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment, I love to hear your comments, and also hit the notification bell. That way you're always aware when I download a new video. Thank you so much for your support. Namaste.